welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you guys how can you create your own pong game as quickly as possible, something like that. And let's get started with the video. So first you need paddle, ball, and laser, and random backdrops, and in the variable you need speed and score, something like that. So let's hide something like that, and yeah, you're ready to go if you have all of these stuff now. So yeah, take your time doing that thing. So now we're gonna paddle when flags clicked forever, then show. Let's go ahead and show, and then let's go ahead and set X to mouse X. So now this will move something like this. Yeah, nice. So now let's go to the position. Let's go to the default position, something like that. Okay, there we go. Now we got that thing. Now it would just work something like this. And now let's work on the ball. Let's make the ball goes to the middle, something like that. And now we're going to, when flags clicked, point in the wait. You need to show first. Yeah. Remember, you need to show every time when you want to start in the script on the sprite. There we go. So now we are going to point in direction. Let's point in 45 and go to forever, move 10 steps, and if on edge bound. Let me explain to you what does this script work. Basically it will move like 10 steps, and then if it's on edge it will just turn the direction, something like this. There we go. And now let's create another script. So if touching paddle, change directions. So I'm just gonna pick random from 100 minus 180 to 180. There we go. And then if touching the laser, we're going to stop all the game. Also, another thing here, let's use two of these variables. So first let's set scores to 0, and then let's go ahead and over here set speed to 5, and then move like by the speed. And then let's change score by 1, and then when like when it's touching like that, when it's touching the paddle, let's increase the speed so it's like harder, something like this. Come on, touch. There we go. But right now we have a problem that it's do something like this. So we're just gonna say. So I guess we're just going to say 180, something like that. So now this should work. Okay, then this should work. There we go. Now it started going faster, something like that. And if it's touch a laser, the game will be over, something like this. There we go. So that's how you create, like a simple pong game. Actually, yeah, something like that. That's how you create your own pong game. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications on so you never miss a video that I upload. Also, join my Discord server because obviously I need members. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Can you take